10 smartest birds that outsmart humans. You think your smartphone is smart? Try giving a crow a problem and it'll solve it faster than you. Some birds have better memory than humans, use tools like engineers, and plan ahead like chess masters. Today, we're diving into the top 10 smartest birds that could probably outsmart you on a good day. The African Grey Parrot. This bird doesn't just mimic sounds, it understands them. One African grey named Alex shocked scientists by recognizing colors, shapes, and even asking for what he wanted. Imagine a bird telling you, "Want to go back," when it's tired of an experiment. But here's where it gets wild. He could count and even understood zero, something toddlers struggle with. If intelligence had feathers, it'd look like this bird. New Caledonian crow. If Einstein had wings, this would be him. These crows craft tools from sticks to fish out insects and even bend wire hooks to reach food. Once, researchers placed food inside a puzzle box. The crow solved multiple steps to get it. No manual, no YouTube tutorial, pure brain power. Kea parrot, New Zealand's alpine trickster. These birds are the pranksters of the animal world. They steal windshield wipers, unzip backpacks, and laugh about it. But under that mischief is high intelligence. Keas solve logic puzzles faster than most primates. Scientists even tested them on teamwork. Two keys had to pull strings together to get food. They figured it out in minutes. Meanwhile, humans argue over who's holding which end. Eurasian magpie. You've heard bird brain as an insult? Not anymore. Magpies recognize themselves in mirrors, a test many animals fail. They also hold funerals. When one dies, others gather, stay silent, and sometimes bring grass or leaves. That's empathy, not instinct. A bird showing respect for the dead, that's intelligence mixed with emotion. Ravens. Ravens are strategic thinkers. They plan ahead, trick others, and hide food while pretending to leave it elsewhere. One study showed a raven holding a grudge against a scientist for years. Talk about remembering your enemies. They've also been seen playing, rolling in the snow, doing flips mid-air. Play is a sign of intelligence, not boredom. Clark's nutcracker. Meet the memory king. This small mountain bird hides tens of thousands of seeds every fall and remembers where almost all of them are months later, even under snow. Think about that. You forget your keys after 10 minutes. This bird remembers 10,000 buried snacks. Goffin's cockatoo. This one builds tools like a miniature engineer. Researchers gave them locked boxes with different mechanisms, hooks, latches, bolts. The cockatoos figured out the sequence faster than expected. Some even learned by watching others. Copy, learn, apply. Basically bird school in session. Pigeons. You might see them as city pests, but pigeons can recognize human faces and even read words. In one study, pigeons learn to differentiate between real words and random letters. They also remember routes over long distances and use landmarks like professional navigators. Next time you call someone a bird brain, remember, pigeons passed spelling before you finished breakfast. Jays, scrub jays and blue jays. These birds plan for the future. Scrub jays hide food and re-hide it if another bird was watching. That's called theory of mind, understanding what others think. Few animals have it. They also keep track of time. They know which food spoils and which doesn't. That's memory, reasoning, and strategy packed into a tiny feathered brain. Owl, yes, but not for the reason you think. Owls look wise, but not all are geniuses. However, their intelligence lies in hunting strategy and silence. Their brain power focuses on spatial awareness, precision, and adaptation. They're masters of calculation, not conversation. So while the owl's wisdom might be more myth than math, its survival instincts are razor sharp. So, who's the real bird brain now? From parrots that talk back to crows that use tools, these birds prove intelligence isn't about size, it's about problem solving, memory, and creativity. Which of these birds surprised you the most? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you learned something new, share this video with someone who still thinks birds are simple. Stay curious and keep your snacks hidden, because some of these birds might find them first.